Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a 3D braid on your own hair. It's super easy and really classy. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll comb our hair so that it's tangle free and there are no knots in your hair. Now I'll grab my hair into 3 sections as you take sections for a normal 3-strand braid. And now from your left section you'll part it in middle just like I'm doing it here. And now you'll grab the middle section through your left section. Now from your right section you'll do the same. You'll part it into middle and grab the middle section through your right section. Now again we'll take the section on our left, part it into middle and grab this middle section through your left section. Now repeat it on your right side. You can also follow the steps while watching the video so that it's easier for you to know how to do the 3D braid and you'll know how I'm doing it. So again from your left section, part it into middle and grab the middle section of your hair through the left section. And now again from your right, part it into 2 parts, grab the middle section through that and pass. Again from your left side, part your left section into 2, grab the middle section through it and then again from your right, and you'll keep on repeating the same steps till the end of your braid. So again grab through middle, then on your left grab through the middle of your braid, and now keep on repeating the same steps till the end of your braid. From your left to the middle and then from the right grab the middle section through it now again from your left and now secure the braid tightly with a rubber band. And comb the end so that there are no tangles in your hair. And now just grab your front pieces and tuck it behind. Just see how voluminous and how big this braid is. Now I'm just decorating it with some flowers so that it looks cute and nice. And then from your front pieces that are left to frame my front, I'll just curl them, or you can keep them straight as you like it. I just curl them. Look how cute does it looks, and so voluminous. So thank you for watching. I hope you'll try this, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.